Today we're here at Knott's Berry Farm for their Boysenberry Festival, and I went to a Wilderness Dance Hall, and I got the Boysenberry Cobbler, and this one's on the tasting card, or I don't remember how much it is, so we'll put the price up there. So it was warmer, but you know it took a while to walk down here, and then we did a few other reviews first, so it's getting a little colder. Oh, so it's very sweet. It's like boysenberry pie filling, and then a little bit of, I think they crumbled a little bit of crust on top. But yeah, if you really like that boysenberry pie filling, this is pretty much all there is. And there are chunks of boysenberry in there. This is actually pretty good. I happen to like the boysenberry pie, so it's like just a warm filling, just a little bit of pie crust on it. So if you like the boysenberry pie, but you don't like much of the crust, try one of these. It's mostly the pie filling. It's fairly hefty for the size. So I think I'll give this one an 8. It's got a really good taste. I really like the boysenberry pie. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.